In this video, we will see that what is web hosting. So, web hosting is the place where your website's files will be stored. Your website may contain pictures, videos, audios, and other different files. To store these files, you need a space. There are different web hosting providers who hosts and stores our files on special computers called servers. When internet users want to view our site, all they need to do is type our website address or domain into their browser. Their computer will then connect to our server and our web pages will be delivered to them through the browser. There are different web hosting providers which offer their best services such as dreamhost.com, hostinger.com, godaddy.com, bluehost.com and hostgator.com. You can also host your website on your personal computer. In next video, we are going to see that how we can purchase domain name as well as web hosting. We will also see that how we can get free domain and web hosting. So let's move towards the next video.